Hey, what's up everyone? This is Lata Bhatt, the new host at DKT Tech. So we are back with another video, and this time we are gonna take a look at the Verve Max Smartwatch by Tagg. So without wasting any time, let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, the special launch price of the device is Rs 2499, which is for a limited period only. The watch would be available at 2999 afterwards. Now that being said, let's talk about the design first. So the watch is quite lightweight. It has got a quite slim form factor with just 9.2 mm thickness, which makes it easy to wear for longer durations even while sleeping. The bezels are made of metal with curved glass front, which enhances the overall look of the watch. The watch size is pretty big, and hence it doesn't look bad at all on bigger wrists as well. Here all sensors are located at the bottom. The multifunction button is on the right hand side, and the watch has a 24 mm silicone strap, which is quite sturdy, and it doesn't sweat a lot even during heavy workout, which is really good. The device is IP68 waterproof, which is another added advantage. Alright, talking about the display now. The watch has got a 1.78 inches 329 by 385 pixels resolution IPS LCD display with 500 nit screen brightness, which is colorful and bright enough even while using outdoors. The screen wake up gesture works fine with a bit of second delay, but works almost all time when you twist the wrist. The device comes with 6 watch faces pre-installed, and you can change and customize with the Tagg Sport mobile app from your smartphone, which brings us to the smartphone functionality. So once you unbox the device, you need to install a Tagg Sport app by scanning a QR code that allows you to install and use other functionalities of the smartwatch. So the app is pretty good. The UI is clean and decent and has all the basic functionalities of smartwatch of this price segment. Navigation between menu is quick and responsive, which I really liked. You can monitor step count, sleep data with light and deep sleep, blood oxygen, continuous heart rate, outdoor running with GPS tracking via phone. Additionally, you can download a wide range of watch faces from its library. Also set the app-wise notification visibility, alarms, camera shutter, music control, etc. Here you can see the SMS, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, etc. notification, but you can't reply to them directly. Also, it has a call alert and you can only reject the calls. Here, the health tracking is quite good and gives accurate results. Also, it has 24 different sport modes that allows you to track all major sport activities. Now, let's finally talk about the battery life. Well, it is quite good as well. As far as my usage is concerned, it gave around 5 to 6 days with normal usage and gave around 3 days with always on heart rate and oxygen monitoring, which is quite good for this big screen size. Also, charging the device is quite easy with a magnetic charging cradle. All in all, I like the device overall and can easily recommend the product. You may find its direct buying link in the description box. If you like this video, then hit the like button and also hit the red subscribe button to see more such videos. This is me, Lata Bhatt, signing off, and I will see you in the next one.